I have the hottest gossip when it comes to celebrity and skincare. I was driving to work yesterday, and over the radio, the announcer said, "Make a guess who among the Hollywood celebrities has the best skin." Like by far, according to research and according to feedback, who has the best skin? So I'd like you to put in the comments below who you think has the best skin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D. My goal is to help you find your best version, to help you build your self-esteem and feel good about yourself, whether it's through skincare, exercise, living healthy, eating healthy, makeup, fashion, hairstyling, anything that we women find helpful when we want to feel good, especially when we are getting older. I'm 62 years old and it's March, so April, May, June, July, August. In 5 months, I'm turning 63. Whoa, in 7 years, I'll be 70. But who knows? By 70, I think I'll still be talking. Maybe my hairstyle will be different. Who cares? Who knows? But anyways, okay, I hope you have indicated your answers because now I'm going to tell you who is that celebrity who has the best skin. Some of you will agree. Some of you will say oh, because she has a lot of money. Of course, they all have a lot of money, these celebrities. Some of you might say, oh, it's not real. It's fake. She's using her products. Yes, she has her own products. J-Lo. When I heard that on the radio, I thought it was Rihanna. And she definitely has very good skin. So I researched. I went, me with my research obsession, right? I research and I go what are J-Lo's secrets to having good skin? Because she's 55 and she definitely looks younger. But it's not just her face, not just her hair, but her body. Her body, because I know J-Lo is a health buff. She's very regular when it comes to exercise. We want to see how we can get good skin, get the best out of J-Lo's practices, and try to see if it works for us. We cannot afford everything. Of course, money makes a lot of difference. Some people have a lot of money to pay for all those scientific procedures. So we're the ordinary person. How do we take care of our skin? Let's see what we can get out of this episode. If you're finding this episode helpful at this time already, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and share. And let me know if you thought it was J-Lo, or let me know who are the other celebrities who you think should also be recognized for great skin. Because then we can again stalk them, right? And see what their secrets are. And maybe we can find something common and put them together. And then we put them all on our faces. And then we look like stars. Oh, I wonder what it feels to be a celebrity, right? Lots of intrigue, for sure, lots of stress, lots of competition. I cannot imagine auditioning for roles and then somebody else gets it. Oh. Anyway, back to reality. So, the number one thing that J-Lo credits for her good skin are genetics. But again, no matter how good our genetics are, or no matter how bad our genetics are, the final decision still lies in us. How much do we want to improve our health, our skin, our hair, even if you don't have that much money? There are homemade products, and I have a few, that help us keep our skin healthy. I talked a lot about my homemade skin routine that I learned from my mom. So check out my channel because once in a while you'll see something there from when I was young, when I was putting all of these things on my face and my dad got so shocked, but things like that. But I'm thankful for my mom because she opened my eyes to skincare. Clean lifestyle. J-Lo does not smoke. She does not drink. She does not take caffeine. Caffeine. There's decaf coffee. I'm sure she takes decaf coffee. Coffee is very good for our skin. Who doesn't like coffee? That's why all these coffee shops exist, because people go for coffee. Personally, I do not recommend buying coffee from the cafes unless you have a date with your special someone, with your daughter, your son, your husband. Then you can have some coffee once in a while. But you will seldom see me in Starbucks. Probably during the year, maybe in a year, I would have entered Starbucks probably thrice a year. I make my own brewed coffee at home, so I know exactly what's in there. No sugar. Sugar is very bad for the skin, so I don't think JLo puts sugar in her food or drinks. Some of the skincare practices that JLo does may not work for everyone, so what we're going to do is we're going to get the best out of everything. Next tip that I researched about this, what's her song? Let's get loud. Turn the music up. Next, she uses a face mask. I don't know what face mask, but I learned from Dr. Anil Rajani that Korean face masks are good. Why? Because they have less of these harmful ingredients. They're almost organic. So maybe JLo is using her own brand of face mask, but the fact that face mask actually works, then that's a good ding ding light bulb for us. Face mask. This is a Vital Hydra solution. I don't use face mask every day. I probably use it at least once a week because I have to leave it on my skin for 15 to 20 minutes, and I have other nighttime skin routines, so I can't do this all the time. Like my ice rub, I do that once a month. My papaya mask scrub, I do that twice a month, things like that. But face masks, probably twice a month. This is really good. And she uses a gel type cleanser. So what kind of gel type cleanser? The only thing that comes to my mind is Vaseline, which is really good to clean your makeup, but it's kind of oily. I use micellar water by Marcel. I think they're all the same, but this is what I use to remove my makeup, because I wear makeup during the day. I wear a lot of makeup, especially during events and glitzy awards and glitzy nights. So I need to make sure I take care of my skin. Don't sleep with makeup at night. This is what I use to clean my makeup. And then, of course, I follow up with cleanser. And next, JLo has face massage as part of her routine. And face massage is really good. Which reminds me, I just broke my gua sha stone last night because I was on the computer. I had my headphones and I was watching and doing research while I had my jojoba oil and castor oil all over my face, and then I was doing gua sha, and then I was watching, and then it was kind of suspense while I watched, so my gua sha fell and it broke. I still have 2 jade rollers gua sha stones, but my husband gave that to me, and it's pink, my favorite color. You can tell. Next, what's on JLo's skincare list? This one I don't do because I haven't really tested it. I'm a little bit afraid, so I have to do more research. Light therapy. We see a lot of influencers talk about blue light, about red light, so I don't know what kind of light therapy JLo uses, but light therapy is also on her list. And today I was watching Dr. Rajani's video, and he was talking about celebrities who are having such great skin because they can afford. And sometimes these are their own products. And that's why I remember JLo. And that's why I said, I'm going to vlog about JLo. And I'm going to talk about her. And that's why this episode came to be. Let's get loud. If you're liking this episode, don't forget to give it a like. And then dance with me while we're doing our episode. This actually keeps me feeling good, feeling dynamic, feeling positive, because I like to inject these things in my everyday life. This is me. This is me. My quirks, my weirdness. This is me. Next on the list, and I'm glad I have them, eye cream. Eye cream. JLo uses eye cream because they say that the skin here is very thin, so eye cream is good. Here's my eye cream. This is by Eve Rocher. And then she uses a serum. I have two kinds of serum, also by Eve Rocher. I use this at night. I'm almost out of this one, but when I'm out of this one, I'm probably not gonna buy first because I already have my vitamin C serum, which is very important. So that's the serum I'm using. Vitamin C actually lessens the appearance or the discoloration of blemishes, spots on your face. And she uses SPF. Sunblock. Sunblock is very important. And actually, talking about sunblock, the sunblock that I have is actually going out of stock at the moment only because there's a frenzy in the market. People are buying Elta MD tinted sunblock. I used to have an untinted Elta MD. This is old and empty. But my doctor, who does my microneedling, said that tinted has more protection. Makes sense, right? So that's why after that I bought. Elta MD is a little bit on the pricey side, and this is called the luxury sunblock. But the thing is, it's because it works. I've had other sunblock and they hurt my eyes and they irritated my eyes. They caused me allergies. This one, I put it on very light, like nothing's on there. It's almost like a foundation, and I can last without crying with this on my face. No allergic reactions. So Elta MD. So JLo uses SPF. This is SPF 46, and this is broad spectrum. It protects you from UVA and UVB. Since I started using sunblock, because I'm a late bloomer when it comes to skincare products, chemical skincare products, honestly, you probably won't believe, I only started using sunblock actually last year, 2023, in July, after our family went to Japan and the Philippines for a holiday. And that was when I realized, oh my gosh, I'm having melasma, hyperpigmentation. So that was what my sister said. So from that time on, I started using sunblock, and it actually moisturizes my skin. And you know what? When you put sunblock, it gives your skin a glow, right? See, there's that kind of glow. There's that glow. And I would not have this without sunblock. My skin would look dry. And back in the day, I would use compact powder. Now, not anymore. I use sunblock, and then I use foundation. And then I still would use concealer on my remaining hyperpigmentation. I used to have a lot. So I have makeup on. I do have videos where I show my hyperpigmentation, and I'm going to come up with a video showing my journey as my hyperpigmentation starts to clear. And of course, JLo talks about her own product, which is her olive complex, which has squalane, and it has a lot of different kinds of olive oil extracts. She swears by olive oil. So I never really tried olive oil. Hygiene. JLo talks about washing her face clean before she sleeps because she puts a lot of makeup. She's a star, right? She goes out, puts makeup. She makes sure she cleans her face before sleeping. This is hard because her goal is to have 10 hours of sleep. Or if you can't have 10 hours of sleep, who can have 10 hours of sleep? At least 8. This is a lot. This is a long list, and it's because I went through different websites. I did a thorough research online to put together everything that she's talking about when it comes to taking care of her skin. She drinks 7 glasses of water a day. Like, I cannot drink 7 glasses. When I wake up in the morning, I would drink my first glass of water. Somehow, when I just wake up in the morning, I can actually finish a glass of water. So yes, kudos to me. After that, the water would come from my juice, from my coffee. And when I go to the gym, I'm glad. Or when I go to dance, I drink lots of water. And then the evening before, I drink. So probably 4 glasses. I'm really bad. Just imagine if we can drink that many glasses of water. Finally, lots of greens. So she's not talking about eating vegetables, but I'm sure she eats a lot of vegetables because she eats healthy greens, but she actually does the green juice, which I love. Spinach, cucumber, and celery. The green juice. This is like a magical combination, but I'd throw in a thick slice of ginger, and then I put in the osterizer. Ginger is very good for the skin. For weight loss, turmeric. If you can add turmeric. And I also add pineapples because pineapple chunks, although they have their own sugar, the thing is pineapple is very fibrous and it gives some taste to my green juice. So there you go. I just spilled the secret of superstar J-Lo. You don't have to have everything. But as doctors say, as dermatologists say, if we cannot afford everything, if we cannot do everything in life just to have good skin, we only need 3 basic things. A cleanser, which we have, and I have my Avene cleanser, soap, anything that cleans the face. Moisturizer, you need a moisturizer, and sunblock. Those 3. Now, if you ask me, if you had an extra cash, what are you going to buy next? I'd say vitamin C, because dermatologists say so, and I listen to them. By the way, I'm sharing my stories based on my experience, what things work for me, and also what my research shows. And I try to see any correlation between real life and research. And then if it's proven or not, then it's good, right? But always check with someone you trust when it comes to your skin, your doctor, your medical practitioner, an esthetician, a dermatologist, because our skin types are different. What works for me may not work for you. What is safe for me may be harmful to your skin. Always read the labels. And as they say, the first 5 ingredients you see at the back of a product are the most active ingredients. You don't want anything that's harmful to your skin among those 5, right? And the others are very small percentages, right? So, like this is pure vitamin C. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed talking about it. And I'm going to listen to the radio again. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now is the time, because I put up great content and I try to be as updated as I can, and I always try to test them before I talk about them, because I'm your guinea pig at your service. Not tested on animals, the products, but they're tested on my skin. Or another place where you can actually test products, not your face, is here or here. And then if you don't have any allergic reactions, then, but slowly but surely, anything you're trying for the first time, do it slowly. Don't put so much and don't do it every day. You want to wait to see if there's any reaction. Okay, there you go. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. Until my next video, you take care of yourself. Believe in yourself. Know that you can always be better every single day. Appreciate yourself every little step of the way, because every step, no matter how small, gets you closer to your goal. Take care. Bye for now.